up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. If you are new to the channel, take some time to look at the previous videos to bring yourself up to speed on what we've been talking about up until now. If you haven't done so, consider signing up for pocket option. That way you can start making money like the rest of us and reaching your financial freedom goals. I've said it before and I'll continue to say it. Thank you so much for these great comments. It lets me know that you're grasping the information that I'm sharing in each one of my videos that I upload each and every day. I'm also glad to hear that the ebooks are helping a lot of people become more disciplined in their trading sessions and helping them become a better trader. Bitcoin and taxes. This is often going to come up as you continue to win and build more Bitcoin in your broker that you want to withdraw. Now, I am not here to give financial advice, but this article is a great read if you have questions in terms of your Bitcoin and taxes. Take a little bit of time, read through it, and hopefully it can answer a lot of your questions. Moving on. Why do I always do 1-minute trades? Why not do 1-minute trades? I absolutely love them. And for one, keep in mind, 60-second trades are one of the most popular trades that you can do in binary options because it brings the most setups. I do them because it works. I've said it many times before, and the strategies are very simple to learn. If you've been watching my channel for some time, you know I'm all about the simplicity. Okay, for today's strategy, yes, we're going to be doing a 1-minute strategy on a 1-minute expiration time. We are going to use the indicator MACD. This is a very popular indicator that is often used with binary options. Here are the default settings. Okay, not going to change them at all. When the lines cross, going down, we are looking to take a sell, and as they cross heading up, we are looking to take a buy. It's just that simple. Always get your confirmations when you start looking at the candles. We are also going to add on a 200 SMA. I'm going to use this setting here, change to 2 points so I can see it. This is our second confirmation. We've done this before. It's a little bit, it's not too different from the moving averages that we've used in the past. Again, looking for lines to cross for a sell or a buy. Let's see how these trades play out. still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.